this video, I will be demonstrating how to add devices to a project in the TIA selection tool. The TIA selection tool is already running with a project called Test open. To add devices to the project, select the Add Paste button in the middle of the screen. Then select the Create New Device button located at the bottom of the screen. You will then be able to see all of the current devices that can be added to the project with the TIA selection tool. You can see that there are many different types of devices you can choose from using the selection tool. You now start to get a really good indication of what you can do with the selection tool. From complete plant configurations to single devices, you have it all in one tool. In this specific video, I will demonstrate adding a Siemens S7-1516 PLC with some of its I/O to give you an idea of how you might build up an entire S7-1500 rack. First, select controllers from the available devices. You will then see all of the current PLC controllers for you to choose from. There are many to choose from and can be filtered down by selecting the specific type fitting your project's needs. In this case, I'm going to select a S7-1500, which is an advanced controller. You will then be given the opportunity to select special product properties for the S7-1500. Here you will also have the opportunity to give the PLC a unique device name, identify the editor of the project, or put in special notes for the controller. The project creation and last changes made timestamps can also be viewed. Once you have satisfied all of the properties, you can continue by selecting Configuration. This will take you to the rack configuration screen, where you will see all of the available slots for the S7-1500. First, we will add a power module to slot 100 by selecting Add Module. You will then choose the correct power module for your application. I will then demonstrate that a power supply can also be added to slot 0, but we will not be inserting one in this project. I will now select slot 1, the PLC slot. Select Add Module to see all the S7-1500 PLCs to choose from. Select Central Processing Units. In this instance, I will select a standard PLC and select an S7-1500 standard PLC, the 1516. I am then given the choice to choose which memory card I would like to choose for the S7-1500. Once you have chosen the memory card, select Insert Module. You can now start adding I/O to the rack. Choose Add Module. I will first add a couple of digital input modules. When you have selected them, you will see you have the option of selecting which type of connection you prefer for the module. I will select the standard front connector with screw type connections. I could repeat the process for 2 modules, but they can be duplicated automatically by pressing the plus sign for how many modules I want to create, saving time. I will now repeat the same process to add 2 digital output modules. This process is the same for all I/O modules in the rack. This concludes a simple S7-1500 PLC rack configuration. Thank you for watching.